Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star resort. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen resort location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Next we talk about amenities of this resort, so you can see on the screen. 4 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The location of the resort is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Lots of reviews and rating numbers brought by guests who was enjoy the stay. The check-in time of this resort is 1 p.m. and the checkout time is 1 p.m. Several deals and offers are available online for this resort along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. If you have already stayed in this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this resort, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe.